Hey there everyone. I keep thinking I'm going to put together some sort of YouTube channel of certain projects and things that I like to work on. But I'm always like, oh, the basement's a disaster, the shop's a mess. I don't think it's ever going to get any better. So I'm just going to start working in the mess and doing things as I go. And hopefully someday it'll be clean and usable. But until then, I'm just going to start shooting and start doing some stuff. So we're putting a new wall in down here in the basement, building it so we have a storage room in the back and the arcade kind of out here. A little bit of separation so you're not seeing all the utilities and stuff like that. So I want to take and use some of these old marquees that I have from different arcade games and make sort of a backlit wall up here above the shelf. So I'm going to take some pieces of wood, channel them out, make a holder frame for the marquees, and start making first row, second row, third row, and start building out this wall and making it look cool. Let's head to the shop. All right, I got the 3 marquees that I'm going to use on the bottom row. Mr. Deuce Castle and this Black Tiger are very similar in size, but this Defender is cut down a little bit smaller. So what I'm going to do is run the groove deeper on these and then not as deep on this one. This one, the Defender, is also going to go behind the power outlet, and I'm going to have to trim it down. Normally I hate cutting up, and I would never destroy like original art, but this one's already had some holes drilled into it by somebody. I don't know where I got it from, but someone had drilled some holes into it, and it's missing a bunch of paint on the back of this side, so I won't feel too bad cutting this one up to make it an art project where it will actually still see some life as opposed to getting thrown away. So it helps me sleep at night. That should look cool. Windy today. We're gonna stay in and work on our project. Okay, we got the pieces upstairs, put some stain on them, they're drying. We are next gonna cut back this 2x4, like maybe an inch. I put a LED light panel behind the marquee when I had it up here just to see what it looked like. It looked really cool, it was glowing through, but you could see the shadow of this 2x4. It's not a load supporting wall, so we're gonna take about an inch of this 2x4 out, put a piece of wood behind it, painted white so it'll reflect the light up, and put some of these LED strips across the bottom, reflecting up into the white and hopefully bouncing and making the marquees look nice and lit. Let's go. All right, well, it's pretty much wrapped up. There's one little white spot you can see back there that I don't have a marquee in. I just need to find a better one to fit in there. I didn't really have any that were that, height, so we'll see what we can find to put in there. Otherwise, I do have some other stuff I could cut up. I have a Donkey Kong Jr. I could cut up, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it because there really wasn't anything wrong with it. And I have a Donkey Kong Jr. here, so I kind of wanted to have something different up there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty cool. I got to make a few adjustments and tweaks here and there, but I would probably change a few things if I were to do it again. But all in all, pretty happy with it.